Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!